Actress Girja Oaks recently went viral for her pictures in a blue sari, with many calling her India's Sydney Sweeney. She was also tagged a national crush after AI morphed explicit images of her surfaced online. But what happened after the images went viral is concerning. In an era where artificial intelligence is evolving at a breakneck speed, its role in entertainment has grown just as rapidly. What once began as a playful experimentation has now transformed into a serious threat. Back in 2024, when social media erupted with deepfake videos of Prime Minister Narendra Modi doing Garba, the clip was taken in a good humor. People shared it, laughed at it, and moved on. Even PM Modi himself acknowledged it with a smile, saying, "I even saw a video of me doing Garba." But what started as a harmless fun has spiraled into something far more sinister. Today, the entertainment industry is grappling with a growing crisis, an epidemic of AI generated deepfakes that distorts reality, violates consent, and attacks on human dignity. In the case of actress Girja Oak, whose journey from being hailed as India's national crush to becoming a victim of deepfake abuse unfolded within days. After an interview of her in a blue sari went viral, she received an overwhelming wave of admiration. But the admiration had a disturbing underside. Soon, AI morphed obscene images of her began circulating online without her consent. The harassment that followed was deeply unsettling. Strangers, emboldened by anonymity, flooded her inbox with inappropriate, degrading messages. As she recounted to the Lallan Top, men asked her things they would never dare to say in person. One even messaging, "एक घंटे बिताने की कीमत क्या है? What is the price to spend an hour with you?" Behind screen, respect vanished, replaced by objectification. What makes AI morphing terrifying is its realism. A Bombay High Court judge warned that the manipulation is now so sophisticated that it's virtually impossible to discern fake from real. This technology, meant to innovate, is instead being weaponized against actresses generating explicit content without their knowledge or consent. But the emotional toll cuts even deeper. Girja, a mother of 12-year-old, shared her greatest fear in a heartfelt Instagram video. One day her son may come across these images, even knowing they are fake won't erase the humiliation nor the cheap thrill strangers derive from them. That is scary, she confessed. And she is not alone. Tamil actress Kirthi Suresh described the psychological shock of seeing morphed images of herself. For a moment, she questioned her own memory. Did I pose like this? That fleeting doubt, that loss of reality is deeply damaging. Even top Bollywood celebrities aren't spared. Ranveer Singh had to file an FIR after a deepfake showed him endorsing a political party, something he never did. Rashmika Mandanna, Aamir Khan, Akshay Kumar, and many others have faced similar violation. The danger extends far beyond fame. As Kirti Suresh pointed out, if celebrities with their resources and influence are targeted so easily, what about ordinary women? The consequences for them could be devastating. While the legal system is catching up, courts granting protection, cyber cell filing FIRs, and offenders being arrested, the fight is far from over. Ultimately, this crisis is about more than safeguarding celebrities. It's about protecting human dignity in a digital age. As technology races ahead of regulation, we need stronger laws, stricter platforms, and accountability, and a collective refusal to normalize the misuse of anyone's image or likeness. AI is powerful. That is not in question. The real question is, will we allow it to destroy dignity, or will we take a stand against digital abuse? Comment below, and for more such content, make sure to subscribe FPG Showbiz.